Good morning, students. I'm Professor S.S. Kulkarni, working in Electrical Engineering Department. And today we are going to see the multi-bridge converter. So in that you can see here we are having one diagram which is having 6 pulse converter arrangement. So we require converter for both side, input side and output side. So here diagram which we have shown, that is having for the input side. So as shown in diagram, for the input side we are having the transformers. According to your requirement, we are having this transformer level arrangement. After that we are converting that to 12 pulse arrangement. So we can use 6 pulse converter, 12 pulse converter or 18 pulse converter. But when we are using n number of pulse, according to that how we are improving our output, that we will see in the next diagram. So first of all we will see, when we are talking about multi-bridge converter. Multi-bridge means two or more than that n number of bridges we are connecting in series with each other to get high voltage according to the requirement of the DC voltage. So after that again same we are having the output arrangement. So for that we are using the transformer banks as shown in figure. And this output of transformer is depending on the requirement of the load. So when we are using this multiple bridge converter arrangement, mostly we are preferring for the even number of even numbers. So that will be 6, 12 or 18 pulse converter arrangement. So again when we are using the input side with different types of connection of the transformer, that will be star star or star delta connection. Again that we will see in the next diagram. According to that we will get the output for the DC and AC, that is shown. The main purpose when we are using 12 pulse arrangement, mainly we are reducing the fifth and seventh harmonic which is created in the, or which is observed in the system. So this reduces the cost of whatever filters we are using to reduce this fifth and seventh harmonic. So again one another advantage of this one is this arrangement is also reduces ripples in the DC voltage. So more AC output we are getting, that will be observed in the next diagram. So here you can see we are having star delta, star star connection arrangement for the transformer, and after that we are using the converter system. So when we are using the output in DC form, at that time you can see when we are having the 6 pulse converter arrangement, at that time we are having 60-degree angle, and when we are having 12 pulse arrangement, at that time we are having angle of 30-degree. So when we are using 6 pulse converter arrangement with star delta connection, that is showing the output as shown in figure A, and when we are having star star connection for the transformer by using 6 pulse converter, it is showing its output as shown in figure B. But it is observed that when we are going for the figure C, because of n number of pulse we have increased here, we are getting better performance in the AC side. So that here multiple bridge converter we have seen today.